Hi everyone, my name is Victor Gundele, and today I want to show us how to be a more efficient and very productive whenever we are working with our Microsoft Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own customized tab. Right? If you look at your Excel, you have something we call, let me zoom this out, File tab, Home tab, Inserts, Page layout, Formulas, Data tab, Review, View, Developer. You own my end at app, or you might have some other tab that you've added as well. So what's the productivity there? Most times when you do work in your Excel, there are some common tab that you usually work on, and most times you need to switch between your home tab, go to your formula tab, go to your view, go to your insert. Instead of that, if you have some sub tab function that you usually work with, you can actually create your own personal tab and categorize those sub tab option and put it under them. And I'm going to show you how to do that on your Excel. I'm quite sure you will see, you always see this drop down option here, right? You always see this. Now, I'll just click on it and I will see different options that I have. Automatically save this or that, but what I need is this my more commands. Now I'll click on my more commands. Immediately I click on it, I will see this tab. Other way you can get to this is to go to your file tab. I'll click on your options and you go to your customize ribbon. Right, so first one, quick access toolbar, but this time I need my customize ribbon. As you can see, I'll click on my customize ribbon. I'll click down here. Right, you see popular command, all command, macros, file tab, all tabs. So let's work with okay, let's click. If I click on my up tab, I can see all the tabs that I have in my Excel. If I click on, let's, in fact, for now let me leave it on all commands. So I'll leave it on all commands. This is where I'm actually going. I see this site where I have my main tab and it's saying customize the ribbon. If I look down here, I have something called new tab, new group, rename. So I can actually come down here to my last tab and click on this new tab. Now I can come here, the first one, and I will rename it. So let me call it my let's call it okay, but let's call it I'm trying to get a good name to call this. Okay, let me just, for now, let me call it tab my tab, and I'll click on my OK. And currently now you can see that I've created my own personal tab. Now under here is telling me new groups, so I'll come to this other side, but this time let me just click on my file tab, on okay, file tab, or let's work with our all tabs. Then let's say I have under home, I have some things I usually use under font. Right, maybe I want to increase the size, underline, border, all this. I can just click on it and I will add it, and you see automatically it comes straight under this my tab that I've created. Let's say under my inserts, I usually work with some table. Okay, let's, in fact, some charts. I'll click on this my charts, click on this add, and it comes under this. Let's assume I have under my data. My data, I usually work with a lot of let's say my queries, or which other one can we use? Let's say our data tools, right? My data validation flash view. I can just click on it and I'll click on add. Then you can see that I have these three guys. This new group, I really don't need it. All right, but for now, let me remove that. Okay, so you can also right click to delete, right click to delete, rename, or anything you want to do. Now after creating this, I can just click on my, see that we have this plus sign here. I kind of collapse this. If I click on it again, it opens up what I've group under that, and I'll click on my OK. And you see up here on my tab, I have this guy called my tab, which I just created. And here, anything I'm doing, let's assume I have a value here. Let me call this my period one. All right, then let me drag it to the right. up to period 5. Let me just put some, let me use my random rand between exit just to get some values between 10 and 20. Right, just allow that to the right, press my Ctrl R to copy right. So every time I press F9 on my keyboard, keep changing. So in case your own might be using, I need to press Fn before that will work, and I can highlight everything. So instead of going to my insert, I can stay on this my home tab. Let's assume I want to change the font. Come here, right? Let me change this to area. I can do that. If I want to change the color, I can come here, change the color to something like deep blue. If I want to increase the size, I can do this. If I even want to uh, put charts, right, I can just click on this chart here instead of going through that my option of going to insert tab and everything. I can actually have everything in one, in one tab, to be able to increase my productivity whenever I'm working with Excel. I hope this helped. Thank you.